When should you hire an accountant for your business? There are compelling reasons to hire an accountant at various stages of your company's development. An accountant can help you with everything from a business plan to company formation, loan applications, and government audits. That doesn't mean you should always hire an accountant full-time or on retainer. Sometimes a couple of hours of their time is all that is required. So, when else might you want to hire an accountant to assist you in the life of a typical small business? First and foremost, you'll need an accountant when you write a business plan. If you include an accountant in the planning process, they will be able to use accounting software to add financial projections and other reports. This will assist you in developing a business plan that is realistic, professional, and likely to succeed. Our business plan template can assist you in getting started. Hiring a professional at this early stage ensures that you benefit from the financial knowledge and advice right away. When compared to hiring one later, this could save you time and money. You'll also need an accountant about your company's legal structure. There are different types of legal structures for businesses, which are determined by a variety of factors. Some are limited companies, limited liability partnerships, or corporations, while others are sole traders or proprietors. These differ from one country to the next. Before deciding which type is best for you, you should carefully consider each one. For example, you could operate as a sole trader or a sole proprietor, working for yourself and invoicing under your own name. If this is the case, you may be able to deduct some of your living expenses from your taxes. However, this also means you could be held personally liable for any business-related obligations. If your company fails to pay a supplier, defaults on a debt, or loses a lawsuit, the creditor may legally seize your home or other assets. It's not the same with a limited liability company structure. As the name implies, the business's liability is limited to the assets owned by the business, not you personally. An accountant can explain the various legal business structures and assist you in selecting the one that is best for you. You'll also need an accountant to help you with the finances. If you do your own small business accounting, it can quickly become complicated. If you believe you are losing control over who owes you money and how much, an accountant can assist you in regaining control. You may also want to track key business metrics like the salary and other employee payments to total revenue ratio. An accountant can assist you here by managing your payroll and creating graphs that show you how the ratio changes over time. If your accountant uses cloud-based accounting software, they will be able to quickly and easily share your business accounts with you. They can also create tables and charts to help you quickly understand your company's current financial situation. This will assist you in monitoring the pulse of your business and keeping track of important factors such as cash flow. You'll also need an accountant when you have to deal with the government. When you own your own business, dealing with government paperwork can be daunting. This is why when the first tax filing is due, so many small business owners hire an accountant. They can, however, assist you with more than just tax returns. They can assist your company in other ways when dealing with the government. Correctly preparing your tax documents could save you money, possibly more than your accountant charges you. A good accountant will also use their knowledge of tax laws and legislation to recommend ways to free up cash flow, save money, and raise capital for expansion. You'll also need an accountant when you're audited. Because there are so many small businesses and so few government auditors, it is statistically unlikely that your company will be audited. However, if it does happen to you, it can be costly, stressful, and time-consuming. If you don't already have an accountant, now is a good time to get one. They can advise you on how to work within the framework of the auditing process. They can also assist you in ensuring that you do not violate any tax laws later on, as the government will almost certainly be watching. However, it is preferable to hire an accountant before an audit occurs, especially if you can find one who will provide audit insurance. Audit insurance covers the fees you would have had to pay if your company had to respond to a tax department's official inquiry, review, investigation, or audit. An accountant who provides audit insurance will not charge any additional fees for the extensive work required during the audit process. An audit trail is included in good accounting software. This allows you and the government to see exactly what transactions have occurred over time and who authorized them. Lastly, and most obviously, you'll need an accountant when your company is growing. Companies do not always expand at the same rate. A new client or a large project may require you to expand your business faster than expected. An accountant can assist you with growth transitions, such as hiring employees or expanding your office space. They'll handle the details like payroll, employee tax management, property tax, utility payments, and so on, freeing you up to focus on the big picture of how your company is growing. Accounting software can also be used by an accountant to analyze your cash flow, inventory management, and pricing. Through financial analysis, they can also provide insight into how to properly grow your business. They may even assist you in determining the best time to introduce a new product or service offering to your portfolio.